Model, 2016 Volkswagen Caddy Maxi long wheelbase, C20 diesel 2.0 TDI 102PS Kombi van factory crew cab DSG automatic rear tailgate nice starstruck. Body, blue, factory crew cab. Mileage, 119046. MOT, the 23rd of March 2024. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 102PS. Transmission, front-wheel drive DSG automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,195. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call